Hello everybody, this is Pietro. How are we doing out there? You know, it happens quite often that I'm asked for advice or tips and tricks on the subject of presenting or speaking on a stage or into a camera. And it's not just beginners that are asking, there are also people like CEOs or similar profiles. In other words, people that should be used to do that. And so I took the decision to share those presenting tips I give most frequently with you out there with a series of videos. So let's start with tip number 1, stop trying to be perfect. When you are on stage for the very first time, or when you're about to speak in front of people or into a camera for the first time, then there is one thing that you absolutely want. You want to do it perfectly. I know that. I've been there too. Well, my answer to that is quite simple. Forget that. Don't even think of being perfect. I mean, sure, you see TV hosts or event presenters or speakers at work and you think, wow, they are doing it perfectly. But trust me, they are not. What they do is giving the impression of doing it perfectly, of doing it flawlessly. And how do they do that? Quite simple, by being relaxed. And why are they so relaxed? Quite simple again, because they know that not speaking 100% perfectly while going through paragraph after paragraph is absolutely normal. A slip of a tongue, a mispronunciation or a wrong accent here and there are absolutely natural. And in my opinion, perfection in speaking would even be boring. So should you make a mistake, well then just repeat the word or the sentence. If a certain word just does not come to your mind, well then just admit it. Or should you happen to lose the thread, then just take a look at your notes. Trust me, as long as you are relaxed, as long as you make it appear natural, nobody will ever hold it against you. They won't even notice. Under usual circumstances, like in normal conversation for example, it's also quite common not to speak perfectly at 100%. So remember, don't even try to be perfect. Well, that was tip number 1. Let me know in the comments below if you found it useful. The next tip is coming soon, and should you still prefer to hire a professional presenter, here is what I have to offer. We will address today's topics in a lot. Tendenze beschleunigen Entwicklungsprozesse. Vi ricordo i nostri hashtag per i vostri contributi tipologia completamente nuova e rivoluzionaria. Cette année, nous avons un événement hybride. So, thanks a lot for watching and arrivederci!